So hello everyone, welcome to my channel The Black Thread. Today I am going to show you how to set up your PC or laptop lagging free in Ubuntu 18.04 LTS Linux version. So first thing we have to know that how the PC goes into the deadlock case. So the answer is the RAM uses more data and more cache, and it uses more processor, and the loss of swapping of the processor, the system goes in deadlock condition. So we have to know, so we have to know that which process unwanted in your PC, so we can delete it or stop it. So let's get started. So first thing, I have to know that which process is running my PC. For example, I am going to start my any process like Skype, and you can see up right, top of the right, you can see here that my PC uses this process, and suppose I don't want this one, and but this is also running. So I have to stop processes from the PC and free up memory. So let's get started. So first thing, press super key on your laptop if you are using Linux version, and then type monitor. You can see here which system uses resources and the graph, and here you can see which process is running. So I am going to show you that my PC, I don't want to use Skype, but my PC uses this process in the back end. So I have to stop this process. You can see here Skype or Linux is using, and which is used 41.1 MB data of the RAM. Let's open the Firefox, and you can see here I am clicking on the Hackbar Quantum, and it will show the left navigation bar, and it's like an other application on the window. So what we have to do, we have to stop this extension on the backend process. So click on the right side and then stop. After stopping this process, we are not able to open this. You can see here I am clicking on the quantum bar icon, and it won't be open. You can see this one is also, you can see here by which we can see that some processes are not running. You can see here the CPU usage is going to low, and then this one is going low down. You can see here, okay. So we have to start this again. Send no monitor, and then process, and then start web extension. Control F, find web extensions, and then continue this. Okay. So you can see here all the extensions are running when I was clicked this. You can see here this one, okay, this one. So thank you guys